Guys, Perfectgame here. Today we're gonna do this thing which is the same people who did the London heist. It's Blood and Truth or something like that. I don't know. My hands. Am I locked up again by like Ryan the Phil guy? Oh, so this is what I actually look like. Oh, I'm Ryan! Wait a minute, that doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? Hang on a minute. This is not Phil.
Ryan Marks.
That's not my name. Whoa.
It's not looking good, is it? So are you. Name's Carson, but we'll get to that.
I
you
want
and
Phil.
I are on the same side. But you do need my help.
Him, I sound like him. Fuck. Isn't Phil my dad then?
So you don't want to talk?
No, I don't want to talk.
Okay. Let me tell you what I know.
Zero, this is Nomad 2-1. I've reached the compound. Going in. Over.
Nomad 2-1, this is Zero.
Let's just turn to fucking Ghost Recon.
Zero, I'm the one on the ground. I'm telling you, we need to extract now.
Negative, hold position. Over. Hello, Nomad 2-1.
This is a weird movement, isn't it?
Weapon check.
Oh,
Good.
what? Oh, so weird.
Entering compound. Beginning extraction. Over. Shoot the catch.
Oh man, we have to do this. Oh fuck me.
Yeah, this will come in handy. Someone's here. ¡Get the others! ¡Santiago!
Fuck. This is. Keep getting hit. I hate being. Give me the gun. Stop.
No!
Wow, I'm fucking smooth. What's up, baby? Oh yeah. Am I just a floating hand?
I can pick that lock. Just need you
What
to
the fuck? No, fuck off. Don't know if that was a good thing or a bad thing, but okay. Mug! Aha! Fuck you. Oh! Well, this looks pretty, doesn't it? Stick with the pistol, yeah, guys. God. Wait, no, go back, go back. No, go back. This is weird doing it left-handed, that's for sure. I mean, can I go?
Where's the rest of your unit? Bite my pocket, fall by your rag, you bastard.
Sounds like I'm in the right place.
You don't say.
Took your fucking time, skid marks. I thought I was gonna have to rescue myself.
Oh, fair enough. I'll be off then, shall I?
Hey, you fucker, come on. Get these up.
Fuckers. Oh, okay, I can't
Give me
get...
combat estimation.
Weapon good.
Safety off.
Always. Firm. Move.
Pedo. Oh man, he looks like a zombie.
Aye.
I don't liking this. Let's go.
Aye. Go.
I'm not even getting hit yet. Oh, now I did. Thanks.
That's it, get in.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go. Oh, these fuckers aren't going to give up without a fight, mate.
I just shot my teammate, didn't I? Okay. Fucking die, mate.
What's your sex?
Oh, it's like doing the thingy, the build, you know? Fuck off! No, piss off! Oh man. Don't leave. Come on, Deacon. I didn't save you for fucking nothing. Me? Amy Bailey. Steve Hartley. Stephen Hartley.
Flight's arranged. So get your bags packed.
Jason Cheetah.
You're going back to London.
London streets, abundant greets. Buckle up cause you got front row seats. Knuckle dusters just slump these chiefs. Round here, blood is thicker than...
Can I have some whiskey, please? Can I have some whiskey, please, mate? What sort of her fucking face? What? What? Is she trying to bite her lip or something? I think we've got a zombie on board. Jay Tyler. You're a twat.
Is this a new car?
Yeah, got it a couple of months back. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Fuck off.
You're still wearing that horrible ring?
Yeah, of course. Where's yours?
I lost it.
I'm not going to be happy with you.
I'm putting the windows up. What the fuck is wrong with me? I don't know how to say that name because I'm dyslexic.
Oh, you'll never guess who I saw last week.
Who?
Gary Moss.
Gary with a small leg.
Oh, I used to get them right up about that.
In fairness, you did say it looked like a grate with a face.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Okay.
What the fuck is that?
I quit smoking. And carbs.
Carbs?
Yeah. Do you know an apple was basically one big
Still
carb?
kills you. You still don't know,
What
do you,
about beer?
stupid bitch?
Oh, beer's not fruit, it's grain. Yeah, try it.
Apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get my fruit somewhere, haven't I?
I'm just carrying his fucking thing for him.
How you been?
Yeah, you know me.
How's Mum
I'm-
doing?
I haven't got my fucking
What's her
seatbelt
husband?
on.
How do you think she's doing?
Yeah.
Look, he was no
Am I
angel,
his
but
brother?
Just thought he'd make it through to the end. No one big enough to take him on. Things were running smoothly. Then this. Still, better than a bullet in the head, I suppose.
Heart attack doesn't sound too fun.
Yeah, probably right. Goes to show though, doesn't it?
I don't even know what the fuck's going on. This someone's dad had a heart attack.
It's good to see you, mate. Should we get this over with?
Yeah.
You ready?
No.
I'm ready.
No.
Come on then.
Oh, you got Blood and Truth. Look at that. Beautiful sign that is.
I won't ask you about the funeral. We're no stranger to those.
You're right, you don't ask
I
about
just want to know what happened afterwards. It's easy to say a guy comes back from the army. Goes nuts, right? Seen too much, can't handle it, case closed. But we both know that's bullshit.
You're bullshit.
I just want to know what went down, man. I might give you a chapter, if you would tell me something.
Okay, I'll tell you something. Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
Who's in charge here? I'll speak to them.
Ryan, I am ex-Delta. We both know the same things.
Ching ching ching. Oh.
I'm here to help. You need to help me.
Ex-Delta.
Why are you looking at my hand?
Sure. What'd you dream about last night, Ryan?
That's what I was doing all last night. With your mum.
This is a conversation. I'm not a cop. I'm not here to go after your family business. In fact, I don't give a shit about any of that.
I know you're not a cop because you've got CIA written all over you. Delta, really? Come on. Just a fucking desk jockey.
Oh, is that what you think?
Yeah, it is.
Intel, analysis, mission reports will only take you so far. But if you want the reality of a tactical situation...
You must sound like Morgan Freeman.
Ground truth.
Exactly.
My lips are just hands.
How many made it from your unit selection?
Whoa.
5. Including me. They don't always take the best guy.
Whoa, that's so
But they always take
detailed.
the right guy.
Wow. Was there a cliche test?
I failed mine. Dog ate my homework.
Me.
Woo! Fuck you!
No problem, man. I'll take care of it.
Who's this?
It's good to have you back.
Oh, please stop touching me.
How are you?
This is weird. I'm not good.
Terrible. You?
Oh, you know. Your dad would have hated it.
Is this my wife or
Would.
is my mum?
Mum.
Oh, okay, right.
It might be a good time to start thinking about yourself. Get out of this. You could go on a cruise.
People counting on me. What about Nick and Michelle?
Mum, Nick's 34 years old. I think he'll be alright.
You know what I mean.
I'm serious.
Tell you one thing, mate, your mum's got a
business.
good figure.
What your dad would have wanted?
Now that is
Everyone
art.
to get out so he could
That
watch
is
the
art.
snooker.
I'm such a nerd about art now. What the fuck?
You know that, don't you?
Beep.
God, you look just like him. He wasn't much younger than you when we met.
When was that? 1937.
He was a lot funnier than you, though. What's going on?
Stay behind me. Get in!
They're all over us!
Give me the fucking gun then, you peb. Right. Oh, whoa.
Put the weapons down. Now!
Clint, do as she says.
Don't move.
I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Okay.
Listen up. Just put the gun.
Fuck you.
Okay, it's clear.
Okay, rat face.
You moved.
Anne, do you know I am?
Peter.
Yeah, of course you do.
For those of you that don't, my name is Anthony Sharp. I'm a businessman. And like all good businessmen, I like to seek out new opportunities.
I've got my headset.
I've just buried my husband.
Yeah, I know. And it's a terrible thing. But like I said, new opportunities. The thing is, it's very difficult getting you all together. And my offer is for the whole family.
Yeah, can we hurry this up, Tone? I've got a date tonight.
You open your fucking mouth again, and I'm gonna put a bullet through her face.
What is it you
You're
want?
shit at that.
What do I want?
You stop looking
Your
at me.
operation, all of it. Networks, assets. Oh,
Got a
come on, I don't
problem?
need to tell you
Oh,
how this works. You've done it plenty of times yourselves. You just keep on doing what you're doing. Think of it as a merger. Apart from you. You can fuck off back to the army. And I know what you're thinking. You're tempted to push back, but I strongly advise against that.
It's not hard. It's,
I
you're
don't want
right
this to be a
there, mate. You
hostile
can just knock the
takeover.
gun out of her hand, grab it.
A lot of respect for you, Anne.
You seem to have a lot of interest
You
in me,
do the
don't
right
you?
thing.
Stop looking at me.
Well, I think I've just about done here. This is my brother Keach. He is the absolute best with numbers. And he's
Don't blame me.
gonna
Look
make
at
sure
him.
that this
I'll
transition
check.
runs
Wait, I know
smooth.
he's a villain, guys. But look at that suit. That's a decent fucking suit.
Right. I need ledgers, receipts, contact books, diaries, you name it. I want to know when you last saw your fucking proctologist. Come on, chop chop.
They've done well for themselves.
Fuck, I can't see shit.
I get why they want your family business. It's the best network in
You
Europe.
don't say, you bloody idiot. You want to slap?
History with Tony?
Yeah, we knew it. He had his thing, we had ours. But he's never
What?
So why now?
I saw an opportunity.
An opportunity? On the day of your dad's funeral? That guy's a total asshole.
Come
We've
here.
done worse.
We have.
I love you too. How could you? How could you?
There was one thing we've all been wondering.
This accountancy lark is hard fucking going. Might try some of
No,
this
no,
scotch.
you're too skinny.
Celebrate our new
I'll do it. I'm the
union.
army boy.
How about one of the Marx brothers? Here. Which one's Groucho?
No, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Ryan? Our surname's Marx, and we're brothers. So that makes us the Marx brothers. Did you just think of that, kid?
Or you, Annie. Go on. Have a little drink with me. We could do shots.
Won't be doing any shots with that.
Eh?
Safety's on.
Eh? No, it ain't.
Mark's family in action. Talk about a well-oiled machine. That's
Toss off. Yeah, just leave me behind, guys. Thank you.
Nothing? Okay, keep me updated. Sharp's got to be somewhere.
Still no sign then?
What have we got?
Your mum.
Tony's been
Oh wait.
approaching some of our people. Most of them just
Probably dead. Fuck me.
Someone's helped him. Clint,
Can I not
someone needs
be
to tell
part of
Sarah and the
this?
kids.
We're on it.
Make sure they're looked after.
Ring. I'm joking.
American Bird. What do we know?
I don't.
We need to talk about what we
so.
do next.
We give him a slap and tell him to fucking behave. He's just trying it on because Dad's gone.
No, he's gone way too far for that.
It's
Get
not gonna start
out
an all-out
of
war. It's
here.
not big enough.
Well, he clearly thinks he is big enough. We need to push back hard or we're finished.
I've heard that.
We know where Tony's going to be tonight.
Who's
Private party at his casino.
Great, you might as well be on fucking Mars.
Then the last thing he'll expect is me turning up.
No way, Ryan. You are keeping well out of this.
Tony? Is this French Tony?
No, it's madness.
Could you do it?
I can do it.
Did you hear what I just said? You are not getting involved.
But I'm
Shut
already
up.
involved.
I'm old
I'll be in and
enough.
out of there before anyone knows what's happened.
Keep an eye where
Is
he
she
goes
my sister?
afterwards and then pick on moving.
Why risk waiting?
If we've got a chance to take him down, we should do it.
Stop looking at me.
Follow me.
Man. When is this gonna end? Let's go with brother dearest over here. Oh god, that's so close up. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ooh. Purple. No! Get back over there.
Gonna need to stay in radio contact. I'll go and find you an earpiece. When you're ready, head for the casino. I'll see you there.
I think I'm gonna need some explosives.
I'll see what I can do.
Fucking die. Right, anyway guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope it was good. Alright, hope we see you later. Whilst I'm gonna go guys, I'm gonna see Senpai's here. Senpai? Alright, see you later guys.